Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you've noticed, I actually switched over to the 3-day chart. So each candle here represents 3 days. I wanted to do something to represent or get a better macro perspective and price movement on what we're looking at. So if you're in Matic for the long term, we got a little better perspective of where the price can potentially go. You can see right off the bat, drawing this fib here, you can simply see the support had here at this golden pocket. And once we got back up to it, it turned resistance. So 125 on Matic is going to be your price to beat for higher prices, of course. But I just wanted to point out, from where you are right now, if you were to come back up to the 125 area, that's a 38.5% move. If we get over 125, then the chart and the fib is telling us that 182 is your next stop at the 786. So you're looking at 100% gain on Matic from where you are right now. But as of right now, we have some selling pressure coming in. The price is dropping. The RSI is curled down. So it looks like the price wants to come down here and retest this support at the 382 at 74. So 74 is going to be your price to hold on Matic. If you lose that, you really need to hold 53 down here at a 41% drop from where you are right now. So if it moves down, watch 74. You lose 74, you really need to hold 53 here. And with that being said, if we actually draw another fib on here, remember we are on the 3-day chart, so we're kind of switching things up just a little bit. But you got to have patience in crypto. So, if you're holding for the long term, just have patience. Don't be so quick to buy and sell. Not financial advice, of course. But you could see here when I draw the other fib to look at moves to the downside where we're going to find support. This 236 at 53 is actually your 618 to the downside. So if you lose 74 here, that's why I say the 236 here at 53, which is your 618 to the downside, should hold for a bounce. So we'll just measure this one more time. So if you do come down here, you lose 74, 75, you're looking at an 18% move. You should come down here and hold this 618 support at a 41% move on Matic. If you lose this 53, 54, then it's going to start getting really ugly on Matic. We'll just have to take it from there. But I would imagine if you come down here, you should hold 54. So just watch 54 for your lowest price to be hit on Matic. And like I said, for a move higher, your make or break line or your moon line, if you want, is 125. You hit 125, you have the potential to hit 182 and even 292 up here, which would be a pretty decent gain on Matic. So there's a lot of selling pressure coming in right now, but I like Matic in the long term, and it's going to make a great trade at some point someday. So if you do come back down here to 74, that's a 17%, 18% move. And then down here to the 618 support at this 53, 54. So a 40% potential move down is at play right now. So 40%, watch 74, you may bounce there. And then watch this 53, 54, you should bounce there for a move like this. And for a move higher, like I said, let's just go from, if you come down here to 74 and you bounce, I would imagine you're going to come back up here and retest this 125, and that's a 70% gain from where you are right now. If you may get stuck at the 0.5 at 96, that's a pretty good gain too. That's about a 30% gain on Matic. But like I said, it looks like it's going down to test that 74 at the moment. So if you come down to 74 and you bounce, you have a potential 30% gain on your hands up here to the 0.5 at least. If you get past 96, that $1.25 at the 618 for a 70% gain would be your next target. So just kind of watch those two prices there for a move higher. And we'll do one more. And if you actually come all the way down here to this 618 where you should bounce, if Matic comes down to 54, 53, that's where I would be opening up a long. Not financial advice, but if you come down to the 618, you got a potential 36% move up here to retest 74. If you get past 74, then the 0.5 at 96 at a 77% move. So we'll just watch those two moves there. But what to take away from this video, there's selling pressure right now. Watch 74. If you lose 74, you need to hold 54 for a move down. So you may come down here and consolidate, and you may come down here and bounce. But those are your prices to watch. With that being said, your price to the upside is this $1.25. $1.25, $1.82 is next. So yeah, I mean, there's really not much else to say. Just watch those prices there. I do like the fibs on the 3-day chart here. It seems to paint a very clear picture, in my opinion, of where the price is potentially going. And we do have log on, just for the fact that we do have a higher time frame. So it seems to work out well. So I'm watching 74 and then 54 on MATIC for potential DCA opportunities, because we could bounce at either one. And we'll have to take it from there pretty much. I don't know why I just moved that fib. We'll go ahead and move that out of the way. This video is getting a little too long. Just wanted you guys to understand what's going on here on the 3-day chart. So if you have patience, you know, just wait for these price targets to get hit. If we lose 74, just know to watch for this 53, 54 area, and just dollar cost average in at these lower prices, and then just, you know, ride this thing out. But of course, not financial advice. Do what you want to do. Yeah, with that being said, I got to end it already. Thanks for watching, everyone. Not financial advice. Peace out.